Hey guys, in this video we will learn about maps. Maps is also one of the data structure, or there we will store the collection of data. Okay, so map is very similar to the what we learned in last time array and the slice, but it hold the value in the form of key value pair. Okay, so map is very easy to access any element, like through the key we can access it, or through the key we can insert it also. So it's very convenient. Array and the slice, what was that? Everything we need to access through the index only. But map is very convenient exactly. In map, in other programming language also, even Java also we have map, right? And C# also we have map. Even JavaScript also, last few years back actually map was introduced. Even the similar to the map we have JavaScript object also, right? And there we can store array of object of data, right? So let's see how to create a map. Okay, so this is the first declaration and initialization of empty map. To create an empty map, we need to use the map is the keyword. So I'm just simply saying empty map. To create a map, I need to simply write down map. What is the key? Key is the type. I want to hold the key as a string, but integer actually should be, the value should be integer. So this is the key and this is the value. Okay. And if you wanted to print, simply we'll say empty.println and we'll write down a message empty initialization empty map. Okay, when we run, we should get go run and main.go. We should get the empty map. So map will be output look like a way. Okay, so this is the word I wrote down, but actually this is the actual output will become. So this is the declaration and initialization empty map. Okay, suppose if I need to be map, we can do we can create through the make function also. Make function we learn into slice and in array also. This is the syntax for make functions. So make inside init map, there also string and integer we have it. Okay, this is also definitely will empty will be created. So this is the second example. Third, creating an initialization map using map literal also. That is also again possible, means we will without here we are declaring, here we are actually using the make functions. In another one we will directly at the time of declarations we will initialization value also. Okay, so like take an example of this one, pollutions. So over here pollution is the map that hold the value as a key. These are the keys and these are the basically the values in the integer format. Okay, and if we print it, then we will get it over here like that. So we will get it in this format. Okay, another thing is creating a map with initially capacity. Okay, that is also possible with through the make function we can give the capacity. Okay, how? This is the way you can see here we are passing the capacity. Okay, we don't need to pass the length. Okay, but we can pass the capacity only. So if we can print it also. This is the way we can. Okay, this is the initial capacity we have. Okay, that is also possible, guys. If you wanted to create a map that is not a you can say key is actually integer type or some different, that is also possible. Or another thing is this is what, this is also another actually we can say slice, and this is the key. Okay, sorry, this is the key integer and this is a slice. Okay, this is a slice. So like a way, so what is the output will become? So output will become look like a way. So here also square bracket, inside it this is the key, and then inside it this is the value. So this is slice. Okay, and this is the key and this is the map is a way to declare a syntax of this. Another way we can create a map through the map also, that is also possible. So another, to do this one, suppose I'm saying nested over here, and here I'm just saying map of string and map of string of integer. Okay, that is also possible. So the meaning is we have like a way, this is the string and this is actually another map, another key value pair. So that is also can possible. Okay, so this way also we can be possible. So this is what nested. Okay, so if I'll print it, the output will become like a way. So output will become map, and this is one of the map. Okay, and you can see map person inside in it one more map, second person map one more. So this is two square brackets, so that is nested map. So these are the way, guys, we can declare, or you can say create a map. Okay, okay, if you make it all the files separate, so this was the creations part. So this was the creation part. So I'll just rename it create. Now we will actually assign the value inside it. Now we will add or update the key or values. So we'll say add or update key value. Okay, and over here we will create the basic structure. Okay, suppose we have an empty map. Okay, the fruit is empty map, and that is key will be the string and value will be the integer. Okay, so if I need to add the value in this one actually map, so I need to just simply use the key. Okay, so I will actually assign, so fruit, this is apple, and we are assigning the value 5, banana, this is 8, and orange is 3. Look like it. Okay, let's run it also. So I need to write down go run add update key value. Okay, this is the output. Now suppose I want to update the value. I already have map. I want to update, suppose, apple value. I can write down like mm. So I'm updating the 7 over here. So now once output we will get the 7. Suppose I want to add a new value. Okay, update we done, so we can add it also. So to add, actually I need to write down whatever the new key, the existing key if you will give, then it will update. If you will give the new key, it will actually insert it. Okay, the key will be append in the map, and this is suppose the value, whatever the value we have, we can update it also. So the result should become the 5, right? The graph says the coming 5. Another thing is we can do the same thing. Okay, if I have the shorten property to the add and update both the thing, so that is also possible. So suppose I have variable watermelon, and that watermelon actually I'm putting it over here. Okay, and I'm just making one over here. Just I made a new variable watermelon, and that watermelon actually I'm putting it over here, and this is the key and this is the value. So here it will create also and it will update it all. Condition update increment if exists, otherwise set to value to 1. We can write down some condition also. Okay, if this particular variable is exist or not. If exists, then we'll update, otherwise don't need to update. So the example is over here, if count exists, it will return OK keyword, guys. OK means exactly true or false. Okay, so I'm just simply saying fruits. Suppose one of the fruit is example kiwi, example, and over here we are checking semicolon. We should be write down semicolon exist. Okay, if it is word is will be okay, then we should write down okay. It will return the two thing. Whenever we need to check, it will return the two thing. One is the basically the whatever the value, the count value will be goes to there, or either you can say the value, and exist is nothing, the boolean property. If the boolean property is the true, then if condition will be executed over here. Okay, so over here we will say if it exists, then we will simply say whatever the value we have plus 1. If it is not exist, then we will assign the value 1. So that is also we can do. Remember these things. This is the point. It will return value and okay, or either you can say boolean property. Okay, so we can print it this one also. So using the map, we can get the, like, suppose different element, we can get calculate the total also. For example, over here I'm actually apple, banana, orange, and getting the total, and this is total is what new property we have. Okay, so I can say 6 point using map index expressions in larger expression. Okay, so these are the expressions actually I'm collecting and I'm putting into all the totals over here, right? Another thing is we can update the multiple value in once also. How? Definitely we need to run loop, because multiple value we have, and loop is very similar to what we learn into the range loop in the array and the slice. So we'll say this is index, we will get in here index is the key, here index is the key. If you wanted to use the key, we'll use it. If you don't want to use, that's fine, we can use the blank identifier. This is the value, guys. Okay, and over here we'll write down the range, and this is the fruit. This is the fruit over here. Okay, and suppose here I want to use the different map operator, so I can use this one, different map. So these has the 3 element only. So now what we'll do, so these are the 3 property we'll update into the fruits map. So fruits, and inside it this is dynamic property, guys. So we'll use the fruit, and we will multiply whatever the existing one, we will multiply by 2, for example. Okay, and this is the way we will actually double the value of it. So let's run it. Yeah, we got an output. So this was a 7 and now it's 14. This was the 8 and now it's 16. Okay, and same with the orange also we will get it, right? Do we have orange? Yes, we have 3 and now it's become 6, right? So this is the way we can update the, or we can add and update the properties of the map. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Have a nice day.